My name is Marquise Tatum. I'm a welding student at ECC. I've always thought this school was an awesome opportunity for anybody who took advantage of it. I'm working to get my certifications in the several different methods that I've learned in welding. Grew up in a foster care system here in San Diego. From 8 to 18, I lived in 7 different foster homes in those 10 years. I've been to prison. I've had some other setbacks in life, and I need a skill that's needed now. I need something that's going to pay me for the effort that I put in. But I know what it means to me to demonstrate that to my sons, that no, you got to keep moving, you got to keep going forward. I always say that life is a series of hurdles. After you jump one, get your feet set, because here comes another one. I'm happy I'm here. It gives me something to wake up for, gives me something to look forward to. I can improve at every day, something that as long as I come, it's going to reward me for me getting better.